We're on the air. We're on the air.
We're gonna get started soon, Brandon. Better sit down. We'll start soon.
Here we are on the air on our train ride. We got some great shots of the back of Brendan's head.
Train ride.
Train ride.
They're gonna start up soon. We're gonna get going. You ready for the ride?
Alright, now we'll notice that there's very slow zooming and very slow panning
Go ahead, sir.
because Rob has the controls. We'll zoom in on Zachary, the disrespectful son. But Zachary hasn't quite learned yet that you reap what you sow.
You did an excellent job getting us here today.
We never doubted you for a moment. Even when you said you didn't know where you were.
There you go.
Alright, we will take a pan of our car. And we are... Okay, here we have Frank joining us on this great adventure we're having.
Which way to the dining car?
You might be looking for the dining car. I'm looking for the sleeper. I'm ready for my afternoon nap.
Yeah, well, we should eat first, then we'll take our nap.
Yeah, we're gonna go back to the station.
20 minutes from here.
We're gonna go all the way back. Yeah, we'll see her later today. Yeah, tell her what we did.
Brochure for Roadside America, Christmas Village?
Thank you, though.
Alright, we're going back to Johnson Station. And going back to the main station in Hampton. That's where we started. Okay? Is that alright, buddy? Wow.
Okay, we need a little light adjustment here, and you can see what beautiful countryside we are traveling through.
We're gonna go at breakfast. Remember last year I think they gave us